Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to get WhatsApp alerts for IndiaMart leads instantly using AI Sensei. So let's suppose I am an owner of a machinery supplies and I am receiving many leads and inquiries on my IndiaMart. Now I want that whenever I receive a new lead, I should instantly get details of these leads in my WhatsApp. Now as I completely want to automate this process, I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between IndiaMart and AI Sensei. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I am going to take IndiaMart from where I will receive new lead, and then in my action application I am going to take AI Sensei, with the help of which I am going to receive WhatsApp message giving me the details of the lead. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to get instant WhatsApp message alert whenever a new lead has been received in IndiaMart. For this, we are going to create automation between IndiaMart and AI Sensei with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign in to a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, but if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you simply have to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and first I need to provide the workflow name, and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to get WhatsApp alerts for IndiaMart leads instantly using AI Sensei. And now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and I want to select this IndiaMart automations, and then I have to click on this create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to get WhatsApp alerts for IndiaMart leads using AI Sensei, which means whenever a new lead will be received in IndiaMart, a automated WhatsApp message will be sent to me, which means whenever a new lead will be received in IndiaMart, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger says when this happens. So whenever I receive a new lead in IndiaMart and then action says do this, then receive a WhatsApp message giving me the details of the leads. So here in my trigger application, I am going to take IndiaMart, and then in my trigger event, I have to take this new leads. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and IndiaMart, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my IndiaMart with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk, I am going to make this connection, and to make this connection, let's open my IndiaMart account. So this is the IndiaMart account, and this is the seller's dashboard of IndiaMart. On the left hand side where I can see all these options, here I have to click on this lead manager, and then I have to click on this three dots. From over here I have to go to this import export leads, and then I have to click on this push API. Now under this push API integration, I have to select the source from this drop down, which I want to select as other, and then I have to provide the CRM platform name. So my CRM platform name is Pabbly Connect, and then I have to enter the webhook listener URL. So this is the same webhook URL which I am provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So I'll copy this webhook URL from over here and paste that over here. Now I have to click on the save details, and then I have to select an option that why I want to connect my Pabbly Connect with IndiaMart. So I just want to select this as I can easily assign leads to my sales team and manage their performance. You can select according to your choice, and then I have to click on this click to generate OTP. Now this webhook URL is being added to my IndiaMart, And now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. If I scroll down, I can see this waiting for the webhook response, and under this it is written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now this means so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test submission, for which I need to go back to my India Mart, and to test this webhook URL, I am going to click on this test your webhook listener URL. Now when I do this, I can see this test option, and as soon as I click on this, if this connection is successful, I will receive the response and the details of this test lead here in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So I'll go back and then simply click on this test. Now the test data has been sent. I need to open my Pabbly Connect and check whether I have received the details there or not. Now over here I can see that I have received the response. The status is success. I have received the test subject requirement for empty mineral water bottle. Then I have received the phone number, the alternate phone number. The name of the lead is this. Then I have received the email address, the name of the company, and then I have received the address. Here I have received the product name and the message query, which is this: I want to purchase an empty mineral water bottle, kindly send me price and other details. Now as soon as I click on that test, I have received the inquiry here, and now this means the connection that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and India Mart, that is successful. Now I want to get the details in my WhatsApp whenever I receive a new lead in my India Mart. For that I have to move to my next step, where I am going to take my action application as AI Sensei. And then in my action event, I have to click on the send template message. I'll click on this connect. Now if you have an existing connection, you can go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, we have to enter the API key. So following the help desk given below, I'm going to make this connection. And for that, we have to open our AI Sensei account. And this is the app dashboard of AI Sensei. On the left hand side, where I can see all these options, here I have to click on this manage. And then on the left hand side itself, I can see this API key. So I will open this. Now this API key has been provided to me, and now I'm simply going to copy this API key and paste that over here in my Pabbly Connect, and then click on the save. Now WhatsApp by AI Sensei is connected with Pabbly Connect, and I have to enter all these details. So the first one is campaign name, and to enter this we have to open our AI Sensei account. Now this is the manage section of AI Sensei, and over here I can see all these options. Here I have to click on this all, and I can see all the templates that I have created. Now for this workflow, I have created a template by the name India Mart lead 1, and this is the template. Hello, we have received new lead from India Mart. Here are the details: name, email, query if any. Follow up with this lead as soon as possible. Thanks, regards. And if you want to create a new template, you simply have to click on this new on the top right corner, and then you have to fill all these fields: template category, and then you have to name the template, and then the template type, and then you have to fill the rest of the details giving the language of the template, and then simply click on this submit. After this, your template will be created, and then you have to create a campaign for that template. On the left hand side, we can see this campaigns option, and to create a new template, you have to click on this launch button, and then you have to go to this API campaign. Now over here we have created a campaign by the name India Mart lead 1. So I will select this, and I want to name my campaign same as that of my template. So I will do that, and then I simply have to click on this set live. Now my campaign is live, and then I click on this go to campaign, and here this is the same template that we just saw. So what I need to do is simply copy the name of this campaign and paste that over here. Now I have to provide the mobile number. So in order to do this, what I am going to do, that all the lead alerts on my WhatsApp number. So I'm simply going to enter my WhatsApp number. Now I have to enter the username. So over here in this field, I want to enter the name of the lead that I have received as a response in India Mart. Now when I click on this username, I can see this India Mart, and when I click on this, I can see all the response that I have received from there. I want to enter the username as the name of the lead, so I'll enter that. Now source and tags are not required field, but if you want to enter, you can enter following the help desk given below. Now I have to enter the template parameter. So it's written enter the parameter values to be filled in a message template here. The parameter value should be comma separated, example this. So in my message template, I can see that I have 3 custom variables, which is name, email, and the query. And I have to enter the template parameter for all these fields. So for that, first I need to enter the name. So here I am going to click on this India Mart and map the name instead of manually entering it. So the name was this one, and then I have to enter the next template parameter with the help of a comma, and then I have to enter the next, which was email. So this was the email, and then again I'll put comma and then enter the message query, which was this one. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now after entering this template parameter and my mobile number, I simply have to scroll down and then click on the save and send test request. Now here I have received the response and the result is true. Now I need to open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received the message there or not. So here I have successfully received the message. Hello, we have received new lead from India Mart. Here are the details. This was the name, this was the email address, and this is the same query that we have received as a response in India Mart. Now to summarize, we took India Mart as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We sent a test lead from India Mart and received the response here in Pabbly Connect. We sent a test lead from India Mart and received the response in Pabbly Connect, after which we moved to the next step where we wanted to send message to ourselves giving us the details of the lead that we have received in India Mart. We took AI Sensei, entered the campaign name, then entered all these details with the help of mapping, simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response as these details been shared on my WhatsApp. So we have successfully created automation between India Mart and WhatsApp by AI Sensei with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.